Hey, curious minds, ready to unbox your next big find? Every episode of Unbox Solutions with me dives deep into Amazon gems, smart hacks, and surprising solutions you might not know existed. From combat boots to kitchen gadgets, we unbox them all, up close, unfiltered, and just for you. Tag along as we refresh, relax, and renew your everyday routine, one product at a time. Catch new episodes every Tuesday on YouTube at mycoachministry. Hit subscribe, smash that bell, and never miss a reveal.
So today we are unboxing. I have two packages I'll be unboxing. This I think is a phone case. Let's take my information off. Remember, always remove your information from your personal information. Remember to always remove your personal information from the package. I love that sound. Baby. Ooh. There we go. So one down. Always search the package. Yeah, because sometimes there may be other things in it, like instructions. So always search your package to make sure you're not dumping anything. I've dumped some things. So I've learned not to just dump, but always search your package. And another tip that I want to share with you when you're unboxing, when you're finished unboxing a package, do not leave things in the box for later when it's already opened and you've taken out the main things. I purchased a set of jars to store juice in it, and it came with this next thing, the tag that you put around it. But I was aware of it, but after taking out the bottles and everything and putting them away because I didn't want them to be broken or whatever, I saw the tags in it and I intended to take it out, but I'm like, you know what, I'll do it tomorrow, whatever. Guess what? I don't recall if I'm the one that dumped it or had someone come over and they thought it was garbage and dumped it, but it was thrown away, is what I'm trying to say. So that's my tip for today. Whenever you are unboxing something, take everything out at the same time, because if you take some things out and it's clear the box is open and that things have already been taken out, you may forget that you left a thing or two in there. And always search the entire package to make sure that you're not throwing anything meaningful away. All right, and make sure that before you dump the what's left of the garbage, make sure you remove your personal information, remove it from it, discard it, shred it, whatever you do with it. But make sure when you're dumping your personal information that it's not easily read or whatever. You know what I mean? Protect your identity, protect your personal information. Personal security is very, very important. Information security is also very important. So, all right. So the next item that I'm unboxing is, and guess what happened? I'm so sorry. Welcome. Forgive me, please. Welcome to this segment of Unbox Solutions with me, episode 30. I'm Coach Racquel, and we are unboxing just these two small packages today. So thank you for being with me. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. And let's keep going, okay? I apologize for that. All right. This one. Right. Also, another tip I want to share with you is Remember the outer box, the outer package. It has gone through some things, through some places. So be mindful of potential germs or stuff like that. Usually, I really encourage to unbox your package in a clear space, preferably on a white counter so you can see, and also using gloves or sanitize after. I have my sanitizers right there, so as soon as I'm done with the show, I'm going to do it. I should have had it closer to me, but I forgot to pick it up. Sorry, I forgot to bring it closer. I brought it in, but I didn't bring it close to the set, so I forgot to do that. But it's very, very important to be careful where you put, be mindful where you're putting your hands when you're opening packages, because it's been traveling. It may not have been through the most sanitized of spaces, so be mindful of that. 'Cause as you can see, I had that box on me just now. You know what I mean? So, yeah. All right. So this is another one. So we're gonna do this, open this one, and then we open those two. Okay. So this is a ring light that I purchased, and you can see the information right there. I'm sharing on the screen so you can see it and see the cost and whatever. So here we go. And this is an Amazon package. All right. And for all the products that I purchased on Amazon that I enjoyed, that I liked, that came in good condition, that I didn't have an issue with, I list them on my Amazon store, which is running on the screen, in the ticker on the screen right now. Amazon.com/shop/UME radio, the letter UME radio. So it's Amazon.com/shop/UME radio. The link is scrolling in the information right now. So I just want to share that with you. So once they work out and everything, I put them there in a list so you can see them. You can order them if you want or not, but you'll see. That's how you know what worked out. If I bought something that I wasn't pleased with, I don't add it. All right. So let's go ahead and do this. Yeah. Right. I've been wanting this ring light because I ordered it because I have a food channel, and when I'm in the kitchen, sometimes I don't need the big light. Sometimes I just need something small that is small and portable. So it has a menu. It came with a menu. That's what this is called. This is called, right? Menu. Is it menu? It's not hitting. Manual. It comes with a manual. Yeah. And then, of course, it's protected. It's in this protected thing. Yeah. Good size too. And I benefited from free shipping, actually. I think that's important to share as well. Oh, nice. So it has this. This is the stand, right? Making it easy to put on the desk. So that's the stand. Let's stay right here for now. And then this is the ring, and then you have the plug right here. So it's pretty cool. I like it. And then you see, of course, the power you put the phone. Yes. Yes. All right. So that's it. That's it. And then, of course, we have this, the pole, right? We have the pole, and it's extendable. Oh, that's a good length. See? Good length. Right. So amazing. So it's what, three main pieces? Yes. One, the light and the stand. The pole, the light, and the stand. All right. So that's it for that one. And now I replaced my double-sided tape because I ran out. And this is actually two, one small and one smaller. Can you see? That's the smaller one, and this is the broader one. So this is a double-sided tape, heavy duty. interesting smell. It smells like glue. Double-sided tape. Yeah. And the next thing I ordered is my iPhone 14 Pro Max case. I ordered a case for that. So, look at that. Ooh, I love the feel of it. Look at that. Glitter, baby. It glitters. To be honest with you, I wasn't sure about the glitter, but now I'm happy I got it. Now, it was so important to me that I had something to hold on to see this thing here. Right. So it's also like a stand. See? It's also a stand, but it's also, I wanted something to hold it because this is the camera I film with, right? So I wanted something to hold. And then, so, oh, this is really nice though, isn't it? I like this. I like this. Okay, I like it. It didn't come with a screen protector, which is it's okay. I can get that separately. Oops. But it also has a string. I love this. Yeah, I did see this. I didn't remember it though. But what is this? Oh, some little paper tags. Paper tags. Yeah, so it comes with a whole string. Yeah, so you can okay. I like it. See? So this is the part you'd hook this part. Oh, sorry. You hook this part to it, and then yeah. This is cute. Not sure what it's for, but we'll figure it out. But yeah, this is the case. That's the case. So there we go. There we go. So let's take this off. Oh, I had the knife here because I wanted to open the box, but the packages, but it's okay. I didn't need it. All right. So that was our unboxing for today. I hope you enjoyed this segment for today. And now we are going to move on to our next segment. Thank you so much for being here with me. I so appreciate you. Thank you. It's such a joy for me to be here. So thank you for being here with me and take care of yourself.
Welcome to mycoachministry.com. We're on a mission to empower 1 million purpose-driven entrepreneurs, turning calling into currency. Through strategic coaching, we guide visionary leaders, brand elevation, and creative empowerment, helping leaders break barriers and own their identity. Build impactful, wealth-generating brands that echo across generations. Welcome to Kelly's Fitness Adventures. Discover your path to wellness. Hear your breath, movement, and healing align through ASMR fitness journeys. Join us on real-time walking meditations, feeling the earth beneath your feet. Experience sunrise strength training that nourishes both body and soul. Engage in waterfall breathwork journeys. Rejuvenate your spirit. All you need is a phone and an open heart. Let's connect. Come away with me. Inhale, exhale, just breathe. Visit kellysfitnessadventures.com.
I love to open new packages. There will be the latest information on the top funding opportunities for entrepreneurs who are seeking funding. Come along with me. I'm Coach Racquel, and this is a passion project for me, so I am so happy to bring this to you. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you for watching.
Unlock your potential every Thursday with our podcast, Refresh, Relax, Renew. Join Coach Racquel as she guides you through personal development journeys. Each episode focuses on actionable steps to enhance your personal journey. The podcast features 3 main segments to keep you engaged. We start with discussions on trending topics relevant to your growth. Then we unbox solutions to common challenges we face daily. Finally, stay updated with fresh funding opportunities each week. Tune in every Thursday for new episodes, and see you there.